Meron po ako ditong kiwi. Try po natin. According to some of the articles that I've read, no, mababa daw po yung blood sugar spike na itong kiwi. So we'll see. Baseline po muna tayo. Yan po. 111. Sige po, I'll eat the kiwi and then babalikan ko po kayo after an hour and then we'll see. Nakaisang oras na po, so blood sugar check na po tayo. Meron kaya? Wow. 111 now 152. So parang hindi naman totoo. Balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano po yung magiging final blood sugar spike. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. And we'll see kung ano na pong epekto ni kiwi sa blood sugar ko. Yan. Yan. So, bumaba po ng 119. So, nag-start po ng 111. Tapos, umakyat ng 152. Now, it's down to 119. Yeah, magka-try pa po tayo ng iba pa pong fruits. And we'll see how would it compare with the kiwi tsaka yung strawberry that I ate a couple of days ago. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.